Imagine a particle that can only exist by travelling faster than the speed of light. Sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right? Well, today we're diving into the mind-bending world of tachyons, the universe's ultimate speed demons. So, what exactly is a tachyon? The name comes from the Greek word tachys, meaning swift. It was first proposed in the 1960s as a hypothetical particle that spends its entire existence breaking the cosmic speed limit. Unlike everything we know, like electrons, protons, or even your pet cat, which are all made of regular matter, tachyons are different. They are born on the other side of the light speed barrier. Think of the speed of light as a wall. We, and everything made of ordinary matter, live on this side of the wall. To reach the speed of light, we'd need an infinite amount of energy. But for tachyons, it's the opposite. They are born moving faster than light and would need infinite energy just to slow down to the speed of light. It's a completely flipped perspective. Now, the big question. Does this break the laws of physics? Specifically, Einstein's theory of relativity, which states nothing with mass can reach the speed of light. Well, yes and no. It's a bit of a loophole. Einstein's equations show that if a particle were to always travel faster than light, it would have what physicists call imaginary mass. This isn't make-believe mass. It's a mathematical concept. For these particles, the faster they go, the less energy they have. And as they approach infinite speed, their energy drops to zero. It's completely backward compared to our reality, but mathematically, it kind of works. But there's a catch, and it's a big one: causality. If tachyons existed and we could use them to send signals, we could potentially send messages back in time. Imagine receiving a reply to an email before you even hit send. This creates all sorts of paradoxes that could unravel the very fabric of cause and effect. This is the main reason why most physicists believe tachyons are likely just a mathematical curiosity, a fascinating what if that pops out of the equations rather than a physical reality. To date, no experiment has ever detected a tachyon. So while they make for amazing sci-fi concepts and a fun thought experiment, for now, they remain phantoms of the theoretical world. Thanks for joining this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this dive into theoretical physics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending science. See you in the next video.